In this video, we listed the 5 best motorcycle dashcam on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. VSYS S2DL Motorcycle Dashcam. The S2DL F9L dashcam is a sophisticated motorcycle surveillance system equipped with advanced features designed to enhance safety and convenience while riding. It boasts a built-in Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calling, music streaming, and voice control, allowing users to maintain focus on the road. The device includes a tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, option that alerts riders to tire pressure and temperature changes on its 3.0-inch or 4.0-inch high-definition display, which also serves as a rear-view camera when reversing. With a robust parking mode that monitors the vehicle when stationary, high-resolution night vision capabilities, and the ability to support up to 256 GB micro SD cards for extended recording, this dashcam ensures continuous documentation of rides, including automatic incident recording and emergency video protection. It operates via a supercapacitor for enhanced reliability and longevity, and its built-in Wi-Fi facilitates easy video management through a dedicated mobile app. With additional features like loop recording, full-body waterproofing, IP67 for the cameras and IP65 for the main unit, and the Smart Gauge mode for real-time data tracking, the S2DL F9L is designed to provide both security and peace of mind for motorcyclists. Number 2. Motorcycle GPS Dashcam. The Motorcycle Recorder HD 1080p is an advanced dual-lens video recording device designed specifically for motorcyclists, featuring front and rear cameras that capture high-quality 1080p video with a wide 150 degrees field of view, ensuring excellent performance even in low-light conditions. This versatile dashcam supports 2 operation modes, traditional button controls or via the RoadCam mobile app, allowing for convenient remote management through Wi-Fi connectivity. The device is equipped with a 3-inch IPS display that can be discreetly installed within the motorcycle's trunk or meter, enhancing safety and aesthetics. Key specifications include support for GPS, loop recording, and a 3-axis G sensor for collision detection, with video management through the H.264 codec and storage options for TF cards up to 128 GB. Operating under various temperature conditions and powered by a built-in 200 mAh battery, the motorcycle recorder is available in multiple languages, making it user-friendly for a diverse audience. Number 3. MT80 Motorcycle Dashcam. The high-MISS motorcycle dash camera, model MT80, is designed to enhance safety for motorcyclists with its advanced features. It incorporates a waterproof front lens with 720p resolution and a rear lens with 640 by 480 VGA quality, enabling high-definition recording in various weather conditions. The camera boasts a 3.0-inch high-definition display and offers a 140-degree fisheye wide-angle view with simultaneous split-screen display for increased visibility. It supports loop recording, live recording, and comes equipped with a built-in high-sensitivity microphone for sound input. The device is compatible with microSD cards ranging from 8 GB to 32 GB and operates on a 12-24V power supply, with an internal battery for emergency use. Built to withstand harsh conditions, it has an IP65 waterproof rating and compact dimensions of 90 by 53 by 25 mm, making it an ideal accessory for motorcycle enthusiasts prioritizing safety and recording capabilities during their rides. Number 4. System VSYS Motorcycle Action Cam. The VSYS 2CH DVR is a specialized dual-channel dash camera system designed for motorcycles, enhancing both security and the riding experience. It features high-resolution recording capabilities of 1920 by 1080 for both front and rear cameras, enabling users to capture critical evidence in case of accidents as well as beautiful scenic views. With a 130 degrees wide angle, night vision functionality, and a waterproof design rated IP67 for the cameras and IP65 for cables, this system is built to withstand various weather conditions. Installation is user-friendly, utilizing a hard-wired connection that discreetly integrates with the motorcycle's battery for uninterrupted power. Additionally, the device includes built-in Wi-Fi for easy connectivity to mobile devices for video management via the Wi-Fi Camera app, which supports both iOS and Android systems. The DVR also features automatic recording upon ignition, seamless loop recording for efficient memory management, and emergency recording options to safeguard crucial footage. Ideal for bikers seeking a reliable and efficient way to document their journeys, the VSYSTO DVR promises to enhance safety and enjoyment on the road. Number 5. VSYS 4.5 Motorcycle Dashcam. The VSYS F4.5X Pro Dashcam is a sophisticated motorcycle camera system designed for comprehensive vlogging and safety. Featuring a triple camera system that allows users to record multiple viewpoints from the front, rear, or driver's face, it offers flexibility in video capture. The dashcam includes a parking monitor that automatically activates when the bike is parked, utilizing impact detection to record incidents and a preset mode for scheduled recording. With an optional tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, it enhances safety by providing real-time tire pressure and temperature readings. The 4.5-inch LCD screen facilitates easy playback and monitoring, while the device's exceptional image quality is bolstered by Sony IMX307 sensors and night vision capabilities. Additional features include built-in Wi-Fi for easy access to camera functions via a mobile app, waterproof design, automatic recording upon ignition, a supercapacitor for power reliability, and loop recording for continuous footage capture. The system is designed for hassle-free installation with a hardwired connection, making it a robust choice for motorcycle enthusiasts seeking enhanced security and documentation on their rides.